Okay, I'm just going to run you through the settings part of Auto Profit Panel. This is where you can use a capture service and you can add delays to the functions, and you can also use a list of proxies. So the capture service, some of the functions on Auto Profit Panel require you to type in a capture. Now nobody wants to sit there all day typing captures in, so what we've added is a skip feature, which will obviously just skip the capture and that function will not be performed. Or you can type it in manually if you really want to do that, which will pop the capture up in front of you just so you can type it in and then the software will move on. Or you can use a service called dCapture. That's on dcapture.com, which is obviously outsourced to India, I think, and they will type in 1,000 captures for you for something like $2. All you need to do is put your username and password in here from dCapture, and the software will automatically send them the capture. They will decode it and send it back to the software, which will then continue on with its functions, all while you are doing whatever you are doing. We recommend using dCapture, as $2 per 1,000 is hardly going to break the bank, but then it will get you a lot more submissions when using some of the features. The next thing is the delay. Now this is just a delay between how fast the software uploads and does its functions. So I normally leave a delay of between 30 and 60 seconds, just so it appears slightly more natural, and you're not continuously blasting them with uploads and links, etc. You can also set a number of threads, which if you've never used software before, this is the software will do, when you've got one thread on, the software will do one function at a time. Now if you're having 10 threads, it will do 10 functions simultaneously at the same time. So obviously it's 10 times faster. It's up to you. It just depends how much you want to upload, how much you want to download, etc, etc. Timeout, just leave that as the default 60 seconds. That's just if the website's not responding, it will time out after 60 seconds. You can also use proxies, which we suggest, especially with the comment blaster. To add these, you just put your IP and port in and click add, or you can load them from a text file by clicking load. Now the format for a text file, let me just pull this up, is you can either use IP:port, sorry you don't need that colon at the end, IP:port, or if you've got a username and password with your proxies, it will be IP:port, username, password. And so say you've got 100 proxies, you can load them all with a text file using that button, and they will all appear in this panel here. They will automatically be used when they are uploading and doing every function if they are added in this section. So that's it for this section. I'll see you in the next video.